How to share music in Instagram DM. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily share the music in Instagram DMs. So first thing, simply open up your Instagram account and make sure you have logged into your account. So now simply head over to any of your existing chats. So once you're inside here, just click on this sticker icon right next to the gallery option. And once you click on it, you will see the option called music. So simply tap on it. Since it's a new version, new update from the Instagram, you can also search, not just click on the existing music over here, provided music, recommended music. You can also just search for the particular music over here, just like this. So once you click on any of the music, just like this, so you can simply tap on the music and that music will be sent to the particular person, just like this. And they can simply click on this, tap on this play button over here, and with the sticker, and this CD will be moving when they will be playing music, just like this. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.